Come back in the kitchen. Welcome back, guys, with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite dishes. These lovely, beautiful dishes, drinks, food, soup, porridge. So today's menu, we're gonna make your plantain and cornmeal porridge combined together, mixed together, blend together, look together, delicious together. Everyone's favorite. We love it, guys. So today's menu, cornmeal and plantain porridge. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. You can have this on a Saturday morning for breakfast or a Sunday morning for breakfast, or sometimes people have it on a Monday morning for breakfast. Some people might say too heavy for breakfast, but you know what I mean, a lot of people back in the Caribbean, in the African country, they like these things, and I mean, they say it give them energy. I don't know. Try it and tell me. Write it below, guys. Write the description below, write your comments, write what you think about cornmeal and plantain porridge made together. Delicious porridge, your favorite, my favorite, and everyone's gonna love it. Thank you so much for your time. Get a copy of my cookbook on Amazon, 50% off, and also you can donate if you got too much money, guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully we can come out with better in the future. See you next time with this beautiful recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So choose plantain porridge and cornmeal. We're gonna just name out a few of the ingredients which we do have right here. Right here we got some vanilla, we got some grated nutmeg egg, mixed spice, vanilla essence, and also cinnamon, cornmeal, coconut milk, sweet condensed milk, and plantain, and some older milk right here. First thing we need to do is to get one plantain, and I'll show you what you're gonna do next, guys. Get one plantain and remove the green bit on the outside. So you're peeling the plantain, so you're gonna draw a line aside, cut off the two end bit. Make sure you got on the gloves because you don't want your finger to get messed up. So that's why I'm using gloves, because you're gonna remove the skin from the plantain. Lovely. Then so as you can see, I'm cutting up the plantain very small to fit in my smoothie blender like this, because I'm not making a lot of porridge. Lovely. I don't know which country you are, but you're supposed to get plantain into the supermarket, local shop. And then second thing, we're gonna go put 1, 2, that's 3 tablespoons of cornmeal, alright? And I'm using the fine cornmeal, guys. Please bear with me, I'm using fine cornmeal. Lovely. Then next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some older milk inside of it like this, just to free up the blender. Nice one. And then cover it and blend this until it gets really smooth. Nice and lovely. So this is finished. As you can see, blend out really finely and smooth. So you got the plantain and also the cornmeal inside of this now. So let's move to the next part, or we're gonna make the porridge. Nice and lovely. So as you can look inside of my pot, as you can see right here, I have 3 cups of water inside of the pot. You can see it start to look like you want to get boiled. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna add quarter cups of coconut milk inside of the water like this. Put a little bit more heat. Lovely. So as you can see that, looking lovely and nice. And second thing, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. The reason why we're gonna add these ingredients, we want it to cook with the part with the blended cornmeal and the blended plantain. Then we're gonna add some nutmeg egg, half teaspoon of nutmeg egg. I'm using a teaspoon. Half teaspoon of mixed spice. And a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong, so you have to be very careful with the cinnamon. And also we're gonna put a pinch of vanilla essence in the water also. And also a pinch of salt. So as you see the water start to get boiled, that means it's really good so far. That's what you're looking for. Then we're gonna add the mixture which we just blend like the cornmeal and the plantain together in the water because the water start to boil. Simply give it a little stir. Make sure everything come out. And we'll see it start to get thick. You can use a whisk, but through my one is a non-stick pan. I don't want to use a whisk to screw it up, so I'm just using the wooden spoon. So as you can see, just turn on my stove a little bit. So you might have said, why is it thick, Chef Ricardo? Alright, the reason why it's so thick, yeah, it's good to have it thick like this. The reason why, you can always correct it. And the best way is just add a little bit more milk, just like that. See? Then you will get it right. So just allow this for it to cook for a nice good 10 minutes. Alright, enjoy guys. Lovely and nice. And look at this guys, really nice. So this is exactly what I want to show you. So I make it boil down for a nice good couple of minutes really well. Then what I want to do now is put in some dumpling. Like this. Lovely and nice. That's the way I'm gonna put in my dumpling. Straight inside of it like that. Nice and lovely guys. As you can see, this is the plantain and cornmeal porridge. I make it cook for roughly nice good 12 minutes. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. Plantain and cornmeal together. Basically, after you do all of these things and it boil and cook, and you know what I mean, you need to give it a nice lovely sweetness. So I have a can of condensed milk which I'm gonna use for option. Some people don't like condensed milk, so you can use, say you want to use sugar, or you know, you can add a little bit more milk to it and hot sugar and sweeten it. So let's sweeten it with some sweet condensed milk, and I'm gonna use quarter cans of sweet condensed milk first. Then I will see where I am at the moment. As you can see, I'm pouring it at the moment guys, and I don't want it to be too over sweet, so I'm using roughly quarter can of the coconut, of the sweet condensed milk. Lovely and nice. As you can see, nice. So let's give it a taste. Guys, I believe this is perfect. Why? The reason why I say it is perfect, because I don't like things too sweet, and you know, you're not gonna enjoy it so much. So like it just at the right amount of sweetness, and the salt is right. Everything is just perfect so far. And you can see the color looking lovely and nice too. Lovely. So we're gonna leave this for it to simmer for another 5 more minutes, and then we will share it. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, this is the porridge. Now it is finished, and I need to share it out. Lovely. This is beautiful. It's finished, done and dusted. So as you can see, exactly where we are about with this lovely porridge, and it is cornmeal and plantain. Beautiful porridge, guys, seriously. And I know you guys will love this, so I want you guys to enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard. So this one, we're coming up with a lot more recipe like these for you guys. So as you can see, exactly what I'm talking about with the plantain and cornmeal porridge, green plantain and cornmeal porridge. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys, and as I said, subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Very important for Chef Ricardo and the team who are working very hard. Thank you so much and see you next time, and enjoy the video. Bye bye.